All right, so today we're doing similar conversions as we have been doing for this entire chapter, and in order to do that, we're only using two different measurement systems. So we have grams and kilograms and liters and milliliters. So there's only two of them. Now, in order to do these, it's the same system as before. You take the number that you see and you multiply it by both sides. Not this side, but this side will give you the answer, or vice versa. So I'll show you what I mean. If I use 9 kilograms of soil to fill a pot, how many grams is that? Well, to get from 1 to 9, I have to multiply by something. 1 times what makes 9? 1 times 9 makes 9. And what I do to one side, I do to the other. So, times 9 on this side. And that will tell me how many grams. 9 times 1,000 is just 9,000. All right. All you have to do is take, this one is kilograms, so I put the 9 up here. I'll make that an equal sign. So 1 times, to get to the 9 kilograms, 1 times 9 makes 9. Let's do it again over here. I used 5 liters of water to soak the soil. How many milliliters is that? So I have 5 up here. I want to get to 5. 1 times what makes 5? It's 5. 1 times 5 makes 5. What I do to that side, I do to this side. So times 5 again. That's a 5, believe it or not. 5 times 1,000 is our answer, so it's 5,000. All right, let's do another. I have 6 kilograms. I want to get to grams. Well, 1 times what makes 6? Times 6. Notice the pattern. It's 1 times itself. And we do the same. So, grams, we have 1,000 times 6 because we do it the same on both sides. 6 times 1,000 makes, 6,000. All right, let's do another. There are 3 liters of water, so that has to become a 3. How many milliliters is that? All right, so from 1 liter to get to 3 liters, we times 3. That means we do it to that side too. 3 times 1,000. 3 times 1,000 would make 3,000. Boom, there's my answer. There's a pattern. All we're doing is multiplying both sides by the same number. So again, I'll do this one more time. So when you're multiplying, you have 9 kilograms. This is 1 kilogram. I want to go from 1 to 9. How do I do that? Always multiply, not adding, always multiply. 1 times blank makes 9. 9. You need to know your multiplication facts for that. Times on the other side 9, because what we do to one side of the equal sign, it has to be fair. We got to do it to the other. So 9 times 1,000 is 9,000. Same over here. I use 5 liters of water, but I only have 1 liter on this side. And I want to make that milliliters. So if I have 5 here, or I only have 1 here and I have 5 here, times something makes the 5 that I need. All right, so 1 times what makes 5? 5. And then I do the same thing to the other side. And then I multiply. 5 times 1,000 makes 5,000. Done. All right. I think you guys are going to be really good at this. This is kind of a quicker skill. So I'll see you guys later.